Okay, these last two problems of test review number 2. So problems 47 and 48, and they're both word problems. And they use mixed numbers, and in one problem we're multiplying, and the other problem we're dividing. So number 47, Tim needs to apply 1.5 gallons of herbicides per acre of soybean. How many gallons of herbicide are needed for 340 acres? Well, if 1.5 gallons is used for 1 acre, if you multiply 1.5 gallon times all the acres, then you'll know how much total gallons you're going to use. So we have the math problem of 1.5 times 340. So we have a mixed number and a whole number, and we're multiplying. So the rules are that you change mixed numbers to improper fractions, and you change a whole number to an improper fraction simply by putting it over 1. And to change this mixed number, we do 2 times 1. We choose the denominator times the whole number plus the numerator. So 2 times 1 plus 1. And we put that back over this denominator of 2. And we're still multiplying, and then I'm going to just bring this over here. And so let's solve. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So 1.5 becomes 3/2. And we are then multiplying that by 340 over 1. And 2 and 340 are even numbers, so we can divide 2 into 340 and reduce with a cross reduction or cross canceling. 2 into 2 is 1, and 2 into 340, I believe, is 190. Let's look at that. 190 times 2, 0, 18, carry 1 is 380. That's wrong. But it's pretty close. So it's 170 times 2. Okay. Not thinking clearly. 2 times 0 is 0. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry 1 is 340. Okay, so we do 2 into 340 then becomes 170. And now we have to figure out 3 times 170. That's 0, 21, and 5. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 510. So we get an answer of 510 over 1. So our answer is 510 gallons. Alright, 510 gallons is the answer to number 47. So number 48. A statistician has readings that take 1 1/3 minutes each to read and record. How many readings can be completed in 72 minutes? So if each reading takes 1 1/3 minutes, how many minutes, how many of these 1 1/3 minutes can fit into the whole number of 72? In other words, it's like dividing 72 minutes up into these little increments of 1 1/3 minutes. So it's a division problem, and 72 being the dividend. We're going to divide 72 by 1 1/3. So we have to follow the rules for multiplication division, which is similar, and that is changed your mixed numbers to improper fractions, including the whole number, which we will change, placing that over 1. And now we're going to do 3 times 1 plus 1 over the 3. So 72 over 1 divided by 3 times 1 plus 1 over that 3. That's how we're making our mixed number into an improper fraction. So 72 over 1 divided by 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 thirds. And then we will follow the directions for division, which is to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So we'll rewrite it as a multiplication problem times the reciprocal, which is 3/4, that means turning around, of the divisor, reciprocal of the divisor. And we can divide 4 into 72. So we're going to cross reduce. 4 into 4 is 1. 4 into 72, does it go, how many times does it go into 72? Let's figure it out. 4 into 72, 4 into 7 is 1, and that's 32. 4 into 32 is 8, so it's 18 times 4, so that reduces to 18. And our overall answer then becomes 18 times 3, which is 8 times 3 is 24, carry 2, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 54, so that is 18 times 3 is 54 over 1 equals the whole number, 54, squeezing it in. So the answer is 54 or readings. So 54 readings can happen in 72 minutes because it takes 1 1/3 minutes to read and record. '54 readings.